Scorp frequently asked questions. What should I do if the gimbal starts to vibrate? Gimbal vibrates in high frequency. Solution: the motor power is too large. Please readjust it. High-frequency resonance of the gimbal after turning on the leveling. The resonance problem persists after auto-tune the motor power. Solution: install the lens holder. Check if the quick-release plate is stable. Check if the axis arm is stable. The motor swings greatly at low frequency. Gimbal constantly vibrates in low frequency and large amplitude. Solution: the motor power is too low. Please readjust it. The gimbal is not balanced. Please rebalance it. What should I do if I turn on the gimbal and it enters sleep mode at once? The motor is not unlocked when you turn on it. Solution: be sure to check whether each motor lock is unlocked before turning on the gimbal. Otherwise, gimbal will enter sleep mode for motor protection after powering on. Turn on without balancing. The motor forcibly corrected. It will damage the motor, increase the power consumption, affect the motor working life. In serious unbalanced condition, the gimbal will enter sleep mode to protect. Solution: please refer to the tutorial video of gimbal balancing to rebalance the gimbal. What should I do if the camera tilted? Solution: adjust the horizontal angle. Swap to left, gimbal settings. Click horizontal calibration. Adjust the angle to make camera horizontal to the ground. The camera can return to the horizontal state. What should I do if the motor power weak after turning on? The motor power is weak while gimbal returns to original position. The gimbal constantly vibrates in low frequency with large amplitude. Solution: adjust the motor power. Turn off the manual lock. Swap to left, gimbal settings. Manual lock. Turn off the manual lock of the pan and tilt axis. Turn down the dead zone. Turn up the follow speed. Click the follow speed. Pull down the menu and click custom. Turn up the follow speed. Turn down the dead zone. What should I do if the gimbal drifts after turning on? Gyroscopes haven't been calibrated. Solution: switch follow mode to make gimbal not in FPV mode. Then enter the horizontal calibration. Click on the auto calibration. What should I do if the gimbal cannot control the camera parameters? Wrong cable or connection port. Solution: check if the gimbal connection port correct. Camera control port. Image transmission port. Extension focus motor port 1. Extension focus motor port 2. Check if using the corresponding cable to control camera. The product package comes with 5 camera control cables with different interfaces. They are Type-C to Micro, AO3 shutter cable, Type-C to Type-C, CO2 shutter cable, Type-C to TR2.5 TO2 shutter cable, T-Sony Type-C to Multi shutter cable, Panasonic Type-C to 2.5mm shutter cable. Now we list several common brands of cameras on the market and corresponding cables. Sony Alpha 7S3, Canon EOS R6, Panasonic GH5S, Nikon C7 II, Fuji X-T4. Thank you for watching.